Hey everyone, this video will introduce you to how to use speech to text in order to respond orally to a written assignment. So if you have some sort of assignment in Canvas that comes with a text box like this where you need to write out your response, you actually have the opportunity to dictate to your computer, kind of like talking to Siri. However, you can't do it in Canvas itself. What you need to do is you need to go to Microsoft Word instead. So if you are using a student netbook from the school, then it will already have Microsoft on it. If you are using a personal device that does not have Microsoft Word or that doesn't have the latest version of Word, you need to download Microsoft Word from the school website. So this is my assignment. This is just a pretend assignment so I can show you, but if there were some instructions, maybe I need to write a story with a beginning, a middle, and an end. I would actually go to Microsoft Word, and there's a button up here that says Dictate. When I click Dictate, comma, the computer will actually listen to what I'm saying and type for me. When I'm done, I would click Dictate again to turn it off. Now, obviously, there are a couple of mistakes, so I need to go in, fix my mistakes, and then I would highlight the words, click Copy, go to Canvas, and click Paste. Then I can click Submit Assignment. Now, if I have an assignment in OneNote, so I have something that I need to write in either my reader's notebook or my writer's notebook, I can actually use the Dictate tool directly in OneNote. So I would type my title. So let's call it Cell Phones. Maybe I'm writing a paper about why cell phones are good or bad. And then I would come over here. In OneNote Online, it's still that same blue button. Click Dictate. Click Allow if it asks you. And once you see the little red dot, you can start talking to your computer, and it will let you know that it's recording what you say. When I'm done, I would go ahead and just click Dictate again. Period. If I need to add punctuation, comma, I would just do that by saying the name of the punctuation I need. Period. Does that make sense? Question mark. Or I can go back and add my punctuation at the end. And there you have it. That's how you use voice dictation for text-to-speech for an opportunity to reply orally to a written assignment.